Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making stuffed cheesy garlic bread biscuits in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. There you go. And stir it all up. Okay, looks nicely even. We're going to put that on the side, and the next thing we're going to do is cut up some parsley. Or if you have a blender, you can blend this up more quickly. But I have just a knife. Okay, it's all set. We're gonna put that in a bowl. It should be fine bits just like this. Next, what you want to do is put some of the finely chopped parsley into the butter. And stir it all up. There you go. Looking good. You're gonna add more or less depending on how much you like it. Okay, we're set. And first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up one of the biscuits, Pillsbury Biscuits, Buttermilk. Okay, so we're gonna open it up right here. So start here. Then it has an arrow that pushes, that points right here. And that's how you open it. You just push at that, put some pressure on that location, and it should pop out like that. Okay. Okay, so we'll be making 5 cheesy garlic bread biscuits, and we have some mozzarella sticks right here, and we're gonna open them up. Okay. We're gonna slice it in half. Slice it one more time. We have all the cheese ready. What you want to do is spread them out. Put in the center. And we'll do a few more. We'll make 6 total. And then take some of the butter and just brush it on. Then fold it up like a dumpling. That's one. Two, twist it just so that it seals perfectly. There you go. Okay, we have the last one here. Put the mozzarella cheese in the middle. There you go. And then fold it up like a dumpling. Twist it. There you go. Last one. Next thing what we're going to do is preheat the air fryer. We're gonna preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated and we're gonna put it in. Okay, and make sure they're nicely spread out. Next, what we're gonna do is take some of the garlic butter and put it on top of the, brush it on top of the biscuits. There we go, and we're gonna put it in. We're going for 10 minutes at 300 degrees, and we'll be back at the halfway point around 5 minutes. Okay, we're at the halfway point, 5 minutes, and let's take a look. Looking good. Just gonna put them closer together now. Then we're gonna put some cheese on it. I have here Monterey Jack and cheddar. You can put some more mozzarella if you like, or whatever cheese you like. Okay, we're gonna put it back in, and at 300 degrees for the last 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total of 10 minutes at 300 degrees, and we're gonna take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. There you go. This is what we have today, stuffed cheesy garlic bread biscuits made in the air fryer. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe to see more future recipes. Okay, let's open one up.